going to make an explosion with a Pepsi. Hey, this is my camera woman, Aubrey. Now, I'm going to use a mint. But first I must open this. Ooh, fuzz.
Ew.
Okay. Not smooth.
I'd laugh if it did. Ah!
I'm going to drop the mint.
Woo! Yeah, you got a bell.
And for the final.
It rained Pepsi. Hold on, put another one in. There's probably still left.
Amazing.
There's probably still some left.
Oh my God, there's like no left. One more. That was so fun. Oh my God. Look at what it did to the top. It moved it. It's not going in.
Hold on, let me see it. Let me see it.
It was all the way up. It was all the way up. I just moved it. All right. Let's see if it does it one more time.
Wait, girls, stay back. Stay
I
back.
doubt
Stay
it
back.
will. Right. Nope. That was a fail. All right, let's watch the video. Please tell me.